Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate stop for the hottest and most exciting rides on the planet. Today, we're bringing you something truly special, the rebirth of a classic that shaped the truck world. We're talking about the 2026 Ford F100 4x4, a truck that blends vintage charm with cutting-edge performance in a way that will make any car lover's heart race. Ford has taken one of its most iconic designs from the 1950s and transformed it into a modern powerhouse that still carries that unmistakable old-school soul. The first thing that grabs your attention is the look. The 2026 F100 4x4 perfectly balances retro styling with modern aggression. You get those classic, muscular body lines from the original F100, but they're sharpened with a contemporary twist. The front grille stands tall and proud, with a bold design that commands respect. Flanking it are sleek LED headlights that not only enhance its futuristic appeal but also provide exceptional visibility. The elevated stance, wide off-road tires, and redesigned bumpers make it look just as ready for the wilderness as it is for city streets. Pop the hood and you'll find serious muscle, a high-output V8 engine that roars to life with authority. This beast doesn't just sound good, it delivers incredible power, making towing and hauling heavy loads feel effortless. Combined with its advanced 4x4 drivetrain, the F100 can take on mud, snow, rocky trails, or steep inclines without breaking a sweat. Ford has also incorporated a modern suspension system that smooths out bumps, giving you the best of both worlds, rugged capability and comfortable cruising. Step inside and the vintage vibe gives way to modern luxury. The interior of the 2026 F100 is a driver's dream. Soft touch materials, premium leather upholstery, and heated and ventilated seats make for an upscale experience. The massive digital dashboard is packed with all the tech you could want, from customizable displays to a responsive infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The sound system is a high-fidelity masterpiece, perfect for blasting your favorite tunes while you're out on the open road. Safety and convenience are also top priorities in this modern F100. Ford has equipped it with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a full 360-degree camera system. Whether you're parking in a tight city spot or backing up to hitch a trailer, this truck has your back. But let's talk about what this truck is really built for: versatility. The 2026 F100 4x4 is just as comfortable hauling heavy loads at a job site as it is being the star of a weekend camping trip. Its towing capacity is nothing short of impressive, and with trailer sway control and an upgraded braking system, you're in complete command at all times. Off-road, it's a different animal altogether, with locking differentials, skid plates, and terrain management modes that let you adjust performance based on the surface you're tackling. Every moment behind the wheel is an experience. From the throaty growl of the V8 to the confident grip of the 4x4 system, the F100 reminds you that driving can be more than just getting from point A to point B, it can be pure joy. Ford has managed to take the DNA of an icon and enhance it with 21st century engineering, creating a truck that appeals to both nostalgia lovers and modern adventurers. In short, the 2026 Ford F100 4x4 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's about power, style, comfort, and capability, all wrapped in a package that honors its legendary past while charging into the future. If you're looking for a truck that stands out from the crowd and delivers on every promise, the new F100 is exactly what you've been waiting for.